Right, so today we are going to the beach to see what we can see there. Ooh, I'm black. Ooh, I'm a ghost. Ooh. Anyway, we are now about to go down for our evening meal. The food here is really, really good. I do recommend it. Right, so I'm ending this day here and now going to bed. It's 11 o'clock because we've been playing Monopoly. I just wanted to say, sorry I'm taking so many pictures of food. I'm not greedy, it's just because we're having a 3-course meal every night, we're not eating anything during the day. So it's not like I'm going to get fat or anything. But anyway, I'm going to end this day here. Sorry, I've barely filmed anything. There's probably only going to be about 2 minutes of footage from today. I sincerely apologise for that. I'll try and film more tomorrow. Good morning, and welcome to our final day in the Isle of Wight. Today we are going tree climbing because the last time I did it was on a scout camp in Beavers, so I want to try it again. It's not like just casually climbing a tree, you have harnesses and all that jazz. Right, so we have just done tree climbing. It was at Goodleaf, which is in Appley Park here in Ryde, and it was a really good experience. So now we have to go home, and we are driving to East Cowes so we can get back on the ferry and go home. Our ferry's at 4:30, so I hope we get back before 9 o'clock because I want to watch football on 5. It's now 2:15. We're walking onto the ferry and it should have left at past, so it's running late. This ferry is honestly rocking all over the place. It's such a rough day. We are now in Southampton, coming out of the ferry bay where you get the ferry. So I'm going to end this vlog series here. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'm going to leave you with a little video I made.
dum 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 dum